Now we are further going to solve few more questions on triangle. As you can see this question in the above figure, AD equal to BD equal to BC. So AD is this and BD you can see is this and BC. They are all equal. AD equal to BD is equal to BC. And angle A is 26. That is given to you, 26. What is the measure of angle? DBC. DBC. So what is the measurement of this angle? So all you need is to apply the formula theorem that you recently learnt. Now you can see as the AD equal to DB. So base angles must be equal, which means this angle and this angle must be equal. Why base angles are equal? Because AD equal to BD. So in isosceles triangle, when the two sides are equal, then their angles at their bases are also equal, which is why this angle will be 26 and this will also be 26. Now you are also given this side, that is BD equal to BC, which means we have this and this also equal. We don't know what is the value, but whatever is the value, both will be same, both will be equal. Now how to figure out that? So in order to understand, I would like to draw your attention to the previous video where I explained exterior angle theorem, which states that in any triangle, if this is the side extended, this must be equal to sum of these two, which means if this is 26 and this is 26, then this must be 26 plus 26, which is 52. This angle must be 52. Now this is also an isosceles triangle, so base angles must be equal. So if this is 52 and this is 52, then this will also be 52. So in triangle DBC, we have to find this angle DBC. I assume it as X, and then I can write sum of the angles must be 180. So 52 plus 52 plus 52 plus the third one X must be equal to 180. Angle sum theorem. And these two angles sum to 104 plus X equal to 180. So X will be equal to 180 minus 104, that is 76. 180 minus 104, that gives you 76. So answer to this question will be 76. I hope my explanation was clear and you understood everything that I explained in this for this question. Now we have another question. As you can see here, in the triangle ABC above, if AB equal to AD equal to DC, AB equal to AD equal to DC, and this angle DCA is given 18. As you know, these are the base of, this is an isosceles triangle. DAC is an isosceles triangle where AD and DC are equal sides. So base angles must be angles. So this will also be 18, as this is 18. Okay. Now we can see here these two sides are also equal. So we can write here this angle must be equal to this angle. You can see in triangle ADC, This is external angle, and the sum of the two remote interior angles, external angle, this will be equal to sum of two remote interior angles, as we have recently learnt in theorem. So 18 plus 18 is 36. So this angle must be 36, and if this is 36 and this is again isosceles triangle where bases are equal, where the base angles are equal, so this will also be 36. Now you have to find x. So x plus 36 plus 36 in triangle ABD must be 180, angle sum theorem, as you have learnt. So x plus 36 plus 32, 72 is equal to 180 degree. So x will be equal to 180 minus 72, that is 108 degree. X is equal to 108 degree, and that is our answer. Moving to the next question, as you can see here, in the triangle ABC above, angle A and angle C, these two angles are equal, which means our triangle ABC must be isosceles triangle because base angles are equal. So if this is an isosceles triangle, then we can say x square, that is side AB, must be equal to 2x plus 15. Then it is asking, if x is greater than 0, what is the value of x? So we need to solve this equation to get the value of x. So what we are going to do, x square minus 2x minus 15 must be equal to 0. I have transferred all these terms at the right hand side to the left hand side, so the positive sign becomes negative. So x square minus 2x minus 15 is now equal to 0. From here it is a quadratic equation, so from here we can solve the value of x. Solving a quadratic equation, we have learned already. There are two ways to solve this, either factorization method or you put the value in the given formula and you get the answer. I will be using factorization method to solve this. If you have any confusion, I will go refer to my topic on solving quadratic, how to solve quadratic equation. Right now I am going to solve this. So factorization method says you have to find two digits whose sum is -2 and whose product is -15. So those two digits will be -5 and 3. So what I will do is x square minus 5x. This -2x can be written as x square minus 5x plus 3x minus 15 equal to 0. Now from the first two terms we can take x common, so x minus 5, and from here you can take 3 common, so x minus 5 equal to 0. Now x minus 5 appears in both the terms, so take x minus 5 common and we have x plus 3 equal to 0. So either x minus 5 equal to 0 or x plus 3 equal to 0. So from here we get x equal to 5, and from here we get x equals to -3, but we cannot take this value as x is greater than 0. So x cannot have the value -3. So our answer is x equal to 5. I hope my explanations so far have been clear. These questions are concept booster questions. Your concept has to be good for the different topics, then only you can solve these questions. So watch my videos carefully. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.